halfway through digging a hole, and it starts bucking it down. No Ian, no Stig, even the sheep have had a gutsful. Even they make it for the hills. Really wet, fed up, totally crap. Oh well.